look so dark. Hey guys, so yeah, just before I begin, you guys, make sure you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure you click that subscribe button, you guys, and join the family. Okay, and also make sure you turn on your notification button, you guys. So yeah, so let's just get straight into it. So this is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me video. So do forgive me if you hear voices or movements because the kids are at home. So you know how it is just like impossible to film without any interruptions or voices. Okay, so I'm just gonna try my best. So I've applied my simple light moisturizer, Maybelline Baby Skin. So that's what's on my face right now, so I'm just gonna go straight into it. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade 365, and yeah, so while I chat to you guys, so I've just made the beauty blender a little bit damp so that it is easier to work with. Seems like it's almost run out, but I'm one of those people who will use it until it's completely like run out. So I wanted to talk to you guys something that made me laugh. One of these days I went to Asda, everyday grocery store or something like that, if you know Asda, and I had my makeup on, and you know, I was looking all nice and groomed, and I was shopping for, like, I think skincare. I was on the skincare like aisle. So this lady walks towards me, and she's like, I'll try to imitate the way she sounded. Okay. Oh, good afternoon, sister. I was like, oh, hi sister, how are you? And she's like, oh, I'm fine, sister. I just wanted to ask you, what product do you use on your face? I'm talking about foundation and powder. Yeah, so I told her, okay, I use a lot of foundations. I use Maybelline, I use Revlon. Oh, can you see that, guys? Like, I use Sleek, anything really that I can find from my local. Oh gosh, I had to go and fix that eyebrow. It was looking kind of crazy, but anyways. So she said, oh, your face looks so smooth, so what products do you use? Like, what are you buying right here? And I was just like, okay. So I told her I'm looking for simple products. That's what I usually use. Then she was like, oh sister, oh thank you, but before I go, what type of powder do you use? Because your skin looks so nice and flawless, you know. What kind of powder are you wearing right now? Today I'm wearing the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and sometimes I wear the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW50 because that's my shade. And she's like, do you have it with you? Gosh, I was like, seriously, you know, when you just want to do your shopping and you want to get out of the shop as quickly as possible, and someone keeps talking to you. Anyway, I wanted to, you know, to help. Obviously, I'm not the kind of person who is rude or anything like that. So I was like, you know what, sister, I don't have it with me, okay, but that's what I use. Those are the shades I use. I can write them down for you. And she's like, I don't think your powder would suit me because I am lighter than you, I am fair than you, you look so dark, your powder won't match my skin tone. And at this point I was like, guys, this lady was as dark as me or even darker than me, okay, and she's telling me that, oh, your powder won't suit me because I'm fair or I'm lighter than you. And I was like, so why did you want to see it, like, you know? And I was like, oh, okay. I said to her, oh, you know what, my sister, I can see that too. I can see that you're lighter than me. So the only thing you can do, my sister, you know where you can find MAC, and you go and ask them, you know, they can do a swatch for you. They can actually go ahead and match your skin tone and give you the best powders I use anyway, guys. Okay, sorry. So that's the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark, and that's the Studio Fix in NW50. I'm gonna be using Sacha Buttercup to set my concealer. I'm not gonna do the baking stuff because I haven't got time for it, guys. Like, seriously, anybody got time for that? It was like so funny that someone comes to you and I could actually see that they are literally a shade or two darker than me, okay, I actually said, oh, but you look darker than me. And she was like, no, I'm fairer than you. My skin tone is way fairer than you, so I need at least, you know, lighter shades than yours. I was like, okay, sister, do what you're doing. I was like, she can never accept that she is a deeper skin toned chocolate lady. She thinks she's lighter skinned. So anyway, it's how you think, you know. It doesn't matter. I don't care, you know. I always say that I'm dark because I am pretty dark, okay? Not everyone accepts that they are deeper skin tone. So I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in NW50. Did she just say I'm too dark, like I'm darker than her? Like, I just felt like, I didn't feel offended, but I felt like that's the kind of people who go and buy makeup that is lighter than their own skin tone, you know what I'm saying? Because they don't want to accept that they're darker than their friends or their families. But you know, I always go for the darkest shade anyway. I'm dark, so there's no need for me. You won't see me looking for a shade lighter, or unless if I buy stuff online and I'm not sure what my shade is. Okay, I'm gonna use my blush by MAC. This is Raisin. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Okay, so the lady, she was swatching the lipsticks on her lips. I just said, oh God, help me. Because I had already tried to speak to this other lady who did not believe anything I said, and I thought, okay, should I tell her that you shouldn't be putting that directly on your lips, or should I just keep quiet? Because I felt sorry for her, because you can pick up things like cold sores or all these kinds of diseases by swatching the lipsticks in the store. So just to let you know, guys, if you don't know, especially if I've got like the younger, you know, generation squad, just know that you never swatch any lipstick or any lip gloss or any lip liner on your lips. Never do that. You can actually carry around some alcohol. When I mean alcohol, I don't mean alcohol as a drink, okay? I'm talking about the rubbing alcohol, okay? So you need that to disinfect these products before you actually swatch them. So you want to swatch them at the back of your hand like this. So if it's a lip liner, you want to go ahead and swatch it here, okay? And first of all, wipe it with alcohol wipes or anything like that, and then swatch it. Even if the lipstick, whatever it is, never go for the lip straight away. You can pick up diseases that you'll not even remember or understand where they came from. So this lady was busy, and I was like, so I actually said to her, these lipsticks, they've been used by other people, okay? There's some people come here with cold sores or anything like that, and they go ahead and swatch this on their lips, and they're coming and they're doing this straight to your lips. And you know, I told her all the dangers of doing that, and she was like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't understand you at first. I thought you wanted to be nosy. I'm just someone who can't let go, or who can't just ignore some things. I just have to say, because otherwise I'll feel very guilty. I just have to say it. I'm going to list all the products that I've used, guys, for you in the description box down below. Okay, so at this point I'm going to use my what's this, my Revolution Fix Spray. So as you see, guys, my makeup routine, like, it doesn't take me much time. Like, it took me like at least 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to be using the lip liner Night Moth by MAC.
I was calling you. Can I call it home?
Yes, you can.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair, you guys. So I'll show you guys the hair that I am going to be using in this video. I'm just gonna wear this unit I made from Ali Julia hair. So just to personalize my closure, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender, because it does have a little bit of some makeup left. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my closure. I'm going to leave all the hair details in the description box down below, so you can see that I did plug my frontal. Why did I say frontal? My closure, actually. So I'm just going to trim off that lace, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and use my Gatsby spray. If you see, guys, I will never apply this on my hairline, okay? Or on my hair. I usually go a little bit away from my hairline so that I avoid any hair loss or anything like that, okay? guys, my frontal looks absolutely amazing. Like, I haven't done much to it, as you can see right here. I'm just laying it down. Gosh, I am so used to using frontals. This is not a frontal, this is a closure. Okay, you can see that it looks absolutely flawless. All right, this is exactly what we're going for. Just using my Eco Styler gel. So I'm just laying a little bit on the side so that when the wind blows, you guys, people won't be able to see the closure, because this is a closure, so it doesn't cover all the way. And just clean up the area, because you don't want it to be shiny and looking crazy. Okay guys, so I've laid my baby hairs for like 5 minutes. So this is what we are looking at, just using my Studio Fix. At this point, I don't even know whether I'm going for a side part or a middle part. Like, seriously, I feel like side parts look much better on me. So like, this is what the hair looks like in its natural state, you guys. Like, I haven't done any curl definition on this hair. As you can see, the curls on the closure are a bit looser. Is mainly because I plucked the closure and I had to like remove some hair. That's what made the curls to be a little bit looser. Original curl texture. I feel like if I had not done anything here, I would have left it like that. Like, seriously, it looks amazing just like that. So now that I have defined my pattern, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray water. So this is just plain water, so just to bring back the curls, bring the curls to life. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, seriously guys, I did not experience a lot of shading with this unit. Like, with curly hair you will experience a bit of shading, but the shading was just like normal shading. Like, you can see right here. Okay, I'm raking and there's literally nothing. Okay, I'll show you guys. Like, this is live. Okay, I'm not going to edit this. As I talk to you guys, I'll show you the amount of shading that I'm experiencing. So this is like little, like very minimal. The hair quality is just amazing. I love the hair texture, and it is super thick. Like, seriously, I'm just gonna make sure that all the hair is blending together. So this is exactly what I'm doing. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am absolutely in love with the hair, you guys. Like, seriously, the amount of requests that I've been getting that I should do like my makeup is just like out of this world. So I just thought you guys would be interested if I do it like as a get ready with me hair and makeup video. I really love the way the curls are looking. Like I said, this hair is a very thick. I am wearing 3.5 bundles here, so it looks absolutely amazing. The quality is just amazing. So like I said, I will leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.